So fitted to our Fokker D7 is a Gypsy Queen 30 Mark II. Unlike what a Gypsy Queen should look like, it's the wrong way around. So we've had to redesign the oil system and the carburation system to be able to accommodate the aircraft being 180 degrees out. So a lot of what we've got here has been custom made to fit this aircraft. And ultimately, everything that's on here that we've made isn't necessarily the Mark 1 version. We've made something, we've realised it hasn't worked, and we've made it better. And also, as part of making it better, is what can we do to make it look better as well. So we've been adding bits, taking bits away, and redesigning the whole system to be able to accommodate the changes in the aircraft performance. So one of the main things with this engine, especially being the other way around, is when it's upside down, our rocker covers work on a splash system, so they're filled with oil, and the rockers splash the oil and help lubricate it. With this, we haven't got an oil-tight well that they can sit in, so we've had to create a drip feed onto the top of the rockers coming from our general oil supply that the engine has. As well, we've had to design and think about where we've been taking the oil from and where we're putting the oil to, due to gravity not necessarily working in our favour. This engine was taken out 6 months ago due to a oil issue. There we didn't have enough oil towards the back end of the engine, so we took it out and redesigned an oil jet to provide more oil to the timing gears at the back of the engine. But also, this is a 1950s engine. It is relatively old technology, and bits don't exist. And the bits that do exist are also old. So we've fitted components and parts that haven't necessarily lived up to what we wanted them to be. Primarily being our P leads, which are leads that go to our magnetos and allow us to cut the engine. Unfortunately, there was an earthing issue, and the lead was earthing through the magneto and earthing to the engine. And with a magneto, once it's earthed, you've not got any power. It's a dead mag. So we've redesigned that, created a new insulator so that we can cut the engine and use the switches as they're intended to be. Also with this aircraft, it's a 250 horsepower engine. That's too much for this power for this aircraft, so we have detuned it through the prop to give it about 200 horsepower is what we're aiming for. We've got a 96-inch prop custom made for this aircraft, and when we're ready to start doing our engine runs, we will fit that and get that ready to go.